Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on the POCO M8 Pro. So if you want to enter Fastboot mode, it's pretty simple. The first thing that we're going to do is gather the things that we need to perform this. So the first thing that we're going to need is a PC or some sort of laptop that we are going to connect our phone to. And then we're going to need a USB-C to USB cable, or USB-C to USB-C if you have the ports on your PC. So I'm going to use this cable right here. It's connected to the PC on the bottom. And then I'm going to connect it like this. There we go. So now that it's connected, all that we need to do is just turn our phone off. So to turn it off, we need to hold the power and volume up buttons like this until this menu pops up. And then we're going to slide to power off and just wait for the phone to fully turn off. And once it's fully off, what we're going to do is hold the power button and volume buttons at the same time until the Fastboot menu pops up. Just like that. It's going to vibrate a few times. If it vibrates but nothing happens, that means that you're doing good. It should do it about 2 to 3 times. Just keep holding it until this menu right here pops up. There you go. Now we're in Fastboot mode, and you just need to continue your process on the PC. So whatever you needed Fastboot mode for, you now have it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.